Welcome to Nikki Fashion's What If I Told You. It's not your clothes that are the problem, it's how you're wearing them. You could have a closet full of beautiful pieces, and still look outdated, shapeless, or just off. Today, I'm breaking down 5 hidden, frump traps that instantly downgrade your style, and more importantly, exactly how to fix them so you look effortlessly polished, modern, and put together. 5 frump traps that are killing your style, and how to fix them. Let's get into it. If you love simple outfit formulas, elevated basics, and looking expensive without overthinking your wardrobe, you're in the right place. Because small styling shifts create big transformations. Trap 1. Everything too loose or too baggy. Wearing everything too loose or too baggy removes structure and hides your natural shape, making outfits look unintentional and sloppy. While oversized pieces can be stylish, combining multiple loose items creates a shapeless silhouette. The key is balance. Pair one relaxed piece with something more fitted to create contrast. Define your waist with a tuck or belt, and pay attention to proportions. This instantly makes your outfit look more polished, modern, and put together without sacrificing comfort. Oversized can be chic, but when everything is loose at once, it quickly becomes shapeless. Think baggy top, loose pants, long cardigan, no structure, no definition. Why it looks frumpy? It hides your shape completely and removes any sense of intention. The fix: balance is everything. Use the one loose, one fitted rule. Loose top plus tailored pants, relaxed trousers plus fitted tee, oversized blazer plus slim jeans, or define your waist with a tuck, belt, or cropped layer. Style tip: even slightly defining your silhouette instantly elevates your entire look. Trap 2. Outdated silhouettes. Outdated silhouettes can make even good quality clothes look unpolished and aging. Styles like overly long tunics, low-rise jeans, or boxy, shapeless cuts often feel disconnected from modern proportions. The issue isn't the item itself, but how it fits current trends. To fix this, update the shape, opt for cleaner lines, mid or high-rise bottoms, and slightly tailored pieces. Small adjustments in length and structure instantly refresh your look and make your outfits feel current, balanced, and effortlessly stylish. Sometimes it's not the piece, it's the cut. Old-fashioned shapes, like overly long tops, stiff bootcut jeans, or dated cardigans, can age your look instantly. Why it looks frumpy? The proportions feel off and disconnected from modern styling. The fix: update the silhouette, not your entire wardrobe. Swap: long tunics, right pointing arrow, slightly cropped or hip-length tops, low-rise jeans, right pointing arrow, mid or high-rise boxy jackets, right pointing arrow, structured or slightly tailored blazers. Style tip: modern proportions equals instantly polished, even with basic pieces. Trap 3. Ignoring fit completely. Ignoring fit completely can make even expensive clothing look messy and unflattering. When pieces are too tight, too loose, or poorly proportioned, they disrupt the overall balance of your outfit. Key areas like shoulders, waist, sleeve length, and pant hems should align properly with your body. Paying attention to these details creates a clean, intentional look. Simple adjustments or basic tailoring can transform your outfit, making it appear more polished, refined, and effortlessly put together every day. Too tight, too loose, too long, too short. Fit is everything, and it's the fastest way to look either refined or completely undone. Why it looks frumpy? Ill-fitting clothes create visual chaos and make outfits feel accidental. The fix: start paying attention to key fit points. Shoulders should align properly, pants should hit cleanly at the ankle, or shoe sleeves shouldn't overwhelm your hands. And if needed, tailor your basics. It's a small change with a luxury level impact. Style tip: expensive looking outfits are almost always well fitted. Trap 4. Too many comfort pieces at once. Wearing too many comfort pieces at once, like leggings, hoodies, and sneakers together, can make your outfit look overly casual and unstructured. While each item is comfortable, combining them removes contrast and polish, creating a careless appearance. To fix this, balance comfort with one elevated piece, such as a blazer, structured coat, or crisp shirt. This mix adds intention and style. The goal is to look relaxed yet refined, not like you didn't put thought into your outfit. We all love comfort, but when your outfit is all comfort, it reads careless. Think leggings, oversized hoodie, sneakers, all in one look. Why it looks frumpy? There's no contrast, no polish, no intention. The fix: elevate comfort with one structured piece. Leggings plus blazer, sweatpants plus crisp button-down hoodie plus tailored coat or upgrade fabrics. Choose structured knits, quality cotton, or neutral tones. Style tip: comfort plus structure equals effortless chic. Drop your biggest styling challenge in the comments section. Trap 5. Neglecting finishing touches. Neglecting finishing touches can make even well-coordinated outfits look incomplete and underwhelming. Without small details like jewelry, a structured bag, or a belt, your look lacks personality and polish. Grooming also plays a key role. Wrinkled clothes, unkempt hair, or worn shoes can instantly downgrade your appearance. Adding just one or two intentional accessories and ensuring everything looks neat elevates your outfit, making it feel styled, refined, and effortlessly put together. This is the one most people overlook. Even a great outfit can fall flat without styling. Why it looks frumpy? It feels incomplete, like you stopped halfway. The fix: add just one or two finishing elements. Simple jewelry, a structured bag, belt, sunglasses also. Don't forget grooming. Neat hair, clean shoes, and wrinkle-free clothes go a long way. Style tip: the difference between basic and chic is often in the details. Let's quickly recap the 5 frump traps. 1. Wearing everything oversized. 2. Outdated silhouettes. 3. Ignoring proper fit. 4. Too many comfort pieces at once. 5. Skipping the finishing touches. Fix these, and your style instantly levels up. The truth is, looking polished isn't about buying more. It's about styling smarter. If you start applying these small changes, your outfits will feel more intentional, modern, and effortlessly elevated. And if you want more simple outfit formulas that make getting dressed easy and chic, join the membership for exclusive capsule wardrobes, styling guides, and effortless outfit formulas. Click Join, and start building a wardrobe that always looks expensive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.